when we started to think about what we do about this major problem of unemployment, we came up with a three-pronged strategy. Create jobs at home, create jobs online, facilitate for Kenyans to get jobs in the diaspora. Three things, and in that priority. How do you create jobs at home? You make it easy for companies and private sector to operate here. But you also, as a government, send out and create deliberate programs that can employ people, such as the affordable housing program, hiring healthcare workers, and so on. Then you can do digital jobs. And today I was happy to see that Ajira and the ICT Authority are here to help people understand how do you take advantage of these jobs that we hear about, jobs, online jobs, or online working digitally. How do we get to do this? And I really want to ask the young people who are here to take some time and make sure you visit the ICT Authority booth to understand how you can pick up more and more skills. But Excellency, also to note that the various members of parliament within every ward are working together with the national government to create ICT hubs where people can work. But sir, we are also in a global labor market. That means that if I'm a carpenter trained here in Shamirere, TVET, I should be able to work in Vihiga, I should be able to work in Western Kenya, I should be able to work in Kenya, or I should be able to work in Serbia, if that is where the opportunity is. So the global labor market exists. Kenyans have been participating in the global labor market for a long time. Every one of us here, and I understand in Vihiga in particular, every one of us here knows somebody who works abroad. Mtu alienda